Bonjour les amis, let's make yogurt cake. Fun fact, the yogurt cake is the first cake that French children learn to make. It needs no scales, so it's very, very easy. Also, our supermarket aisles for the yogurt in France are massive, a bit like your crisps aisles in England. We usually use empty pots of yogurt, but just to make this simpler, I make mine with cups. So let's go. So in a bowl, you will add half a cup of oil, half a cup of yogurt, a cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of self-raising flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of flavoring. I'm going for orange blossom, but you could go for vanilla extract, and 3 eggs. Now all you have to do is mix it well, pour it into a greased loaf tin and bake. It will go in at 180 for about 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. The beauty of this cake is that on top of being super yummy, simple the way it is, you can add anything to it. You can add chocolate chips, you can add apples, pears, whatever tickles your fancy. Is really, really versatile. Et voilà. Yeah. Bon appétit.